DBS Sounds of Budget. Drop the beats. Dropping the beats, big news today, figures in sight. Infrastructure plans in the spotlight. 1111 lakh crore, watch your steer. Count next targets, futures near. 3.4% of the GDP, investing whole. States stepping up to play a role. 1.5 lakh crore in long-term loans, interest-free, supporting growth and prosperity. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. CapEx news, progress is soaring. Infrastructure's future we're exploring. States empowered, resources in hand, building up a stronger, better land. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. When it comes to CapEx, the route is clear. Investments flowing, a bright new sphere. Capital funds are boosting the sight, driving growth and the future right. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. When it comes to CapEx, the route is clear. Investments flowing, a bright new sphere.